Okay, and here we have another squeaky video. We've got her on film today because she's laid eggs. There you go, 2 eggs there from our female squeaky. They're non-fertile, she's just been in season and has laid them. Obviously she's made that nesting area there with her sandpaper. But no, we've never paired the two. So those are blanks basically there. Oh. She has done this before. It's the first time I caught it on YouTube for you guys. Yeah, so there you go. Squeaky's laid 2 eggs there. She has done 3 before. But, yeah, it's a new experience for YouTube, and bye.